My name is John Kamau. I'm the National Chairperson for New Generation Aspirants, or better known as NGA. And here with me are the members of NGA. We, of course, want to condemn, the kind of atrocities that we saw yesterday. It is impunity of the highest order, where now you can't separate or tell apart a policeman from a goon. What country are we in? We are ashamed as the young people, and we want to call upon the authorities to actually prosecute and actually take action against that policeman who shot a young man at a very close range. And this speaks volume to the conduct of this administration. It shows you how indifferent it is to its citizens and how they are not willing to obey the law, follow the law, and the extent they are willing to go to make sure that they remain in power. But
Thank you. My name is Sabina Mutunga, a very active member of NGA, a student leader and a leader to be an aspirant in the coming future, which we know. To our Kenyan government, our leaders there at the top, we chose you to represent us, to perform duties and roles, but you have turned against us. You killing us, you butchering us, you murdering us, you pressing us. Where are we going? Where is Kenya going? Where are we going to get the solution to the young people? The solution is us. You have to believe in yourselves so that you are going to believe in you. To our governor Sakaja, whatever happened yesterday is not easy. It's not easy to understand. It's not easy to take it. It's not easy to accept it. I watched a very old man being bullied, unclothed, walked home with clothes torn. What has he gone to tell the family? Which feedback is he going to say? What has happened to him? What happened to our younger brother? To the policeman who shot that man? That is your brother, that is your family, that is your relative. What is happening to this country? The policemen are the people who are supposed to protect us. What is happening? If you see an hyena running at you, where are you going to turn? To the police or to the hyena? To the young people? Let's turn back. Let's watch what is eating us, and let's find others.
Nchenkoro kulaban maticha kurukisi county. Amangana tuarorire Igoro iga Nairobi nga aba sikari na abanyanyimbo bari batakaire kotorenda mna abasaye basoira Ase street na gotumika na abarai bari ababe gotoaka na gotokora bononko ntagete gotebi abasaye bonsi bari barenka tosoya Ase chichamechi tobe change erito gotebi abantu babe nande riri abanyanyimbo riri more Ase chi protest echi be human kabamna abantu abanene nande more protect chi demonstrator. Thank you.
As youth, we feel that we are not represented well. These people are not serving our interest on the matters of education. When they form this government, they impose a failed funding model called the new funding model. Right now, close to 70% of the students are dropping out of school. Reason being, they can't afford this thing. That's why we formed this new generation aspirant that will cater for our interests. Immediately the new generation aspirant will take office. This new funding model will be scrapped up. 1, 2, every single parent from either Isiolo, from either Mandera, Homa Bay, or even Nakuru will have.
And to date, up to now, there is no action being taken. There is no response from the government, and things have gone to the mess. So we are going to revolutionize this movement so that we can have new power establishment, which is coming from us, new aspirants, or new generation. We are not going to be ruled by the people who feel like are behind over the law.